Hey guys, my name is Dimitri and this is a video for 06 Honda Odyssey which came to Car City Inc. in Palatine on a recent trade. It's got 137,000 miles. This one is the EX model, so it's come with close interior. You know, pretty nice and clean minivan. Looks not bad for its age. There are minor a few dings and scratches on the body, but nothing major. Everything is in working condition. The tires are in pretty good shape, as you can see right there. Again, the body is clean, no major defects. Interior, it came after detail actually. It looks actually not bad as well. As you can see, it's got power doors, 137 on the miles, no warning lights, AC blows cold. This one has a climate control over here. Let's look in. This power door is working fine. Okay, so it's got captain seats, and I believe in the trunk we're gonna see one more seat, so you can make like a 8-seater. This is the third row right there. Again, it is pretty clean for its age. There is a traction control. Again, it's a minivan, so it's ready. It's got the floor mat right there. This is like a 8 seat. So it's all looks good. At least it's for 5,900. You're gonna get a Japanese Honda Odyssey, very reliable, well known for its quality. They are very good runners. Again, 5,900, 137,000 miles. We're located in Palatine. This is our website, our phone number. We do have around 100 cars on the lot. Any questions, call this number, check our website. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.